Hey everyone! Today, we're breaking down Bear Balanced Creatine Gummies, which claim to provide all the muscle and performance benefits of creatine in a tasty gummy format. We tested them thoroughly to see if they're really worth it or just overpriced candy. Bear Balance delivers creatine monohydrate in a gummy just like many of the new gummy supplements hitting the market. After consistent use, we notice enhanced muscle endurance, improved recovery, and the usual creatine-related strength gains that come with steady supplementation. The flavor was enjoyable, and the chewable format made it easy to stay on track. The pros are convenience, taste, and effectiveness when taken consistently. Creatine itself is highly reliable, so it delivers. The cons are the same as most gummy supplements: added sugars, smaller dosages per serving, and higher cost compared to standard creatine powder. Overall, Bare Balanced Creatine Gummies are not a trash. They work as intended, but the price point makes them less efficient than regular creatine. They're best for people who want supplementation to feel easy and tasty rather than clinical. If cost isn't an issue, they're a fun option. If you want the cheapest gains, skip the gummies. This has been how to literally keep things smart and simple and scam free.